In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a sub-account with an existing snapshot in GoHighLevel. If you manage multiple clients or brands, snapshots are a powerful way to roll out consistent funnels, workflows, emails, and more across accounts without rebuilding everything from scratch. Today we'll use a snapshot you already created and safely apply its updates to a specific sub-account. Start in your GoHighLevel dashboard and look to the left sidebar. Click Sub-Accounts, then select the sub-account you want to update. Take a moment to double-check you've picked the right one, especially if you manage a large list. Using the built-in search can help you find it faster. Next, click the sub-account name to open its details page. This is where you'll access account-level actions. Note that your permissions need to allow updates, so make sure you're logged in with the right access before proceeding. Now, go to the top right and click the Actions button. From the drop-down, choose Load Snapshot. This tells the system you want to bring assets from a saved snapshot into the sub-account. If you need access to GoHighLevel itself, you'll find the official link at the very top of the description so you can sign in or get the app before following along. A pop-up will appear. Click, choose a snapshot, then select the snapshot you've already created. If you maintain multiple versions, pick the one that matches your current rollout plan. Clear naming and dates on your snapshots can prevent confusion here. Click Proceed, and you'll be asked what you want to update. You can choose specific asset types like funnels, workflows, emails, calendars, and more. Only the items you select will be updated, which is great if you're pushing changes gradually. If you only need to refresh funnels, for example, leave other categories unchecked to keep them as they are. Before applying, review any conflicts that appear. Conflicts show where identical items already exist in the sub-account. Decide whether to overwrite the existing version or keep what's already there. Overwriting replaces current configurations with the snapshots version, while keeping preserves what the sub-account already has. When in doubt, align with your team's expectations and naming conventions so there are no surprises. When everything looks right, click Proceed or Confirm to apply the update. You'll see the loading process begin. The time this takes depends on how many assets you selected and their size. Avoid navigating away until it's finished. Once the loading completes, you're done. That's it. Thanks for watching.